Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Source of Skills. Please like and subscribe our channel for informative videos. So guys, in this video you will learn how to prepare 0.2 normal solution of 97% pure H2SO4. The required apparatus and chemicals are measuring flask of 500 ml, distilled water in a beaker, pipette and sulfuric acid can. So first of all, we have to find out the molarity of 97% H2SO4 by using a formula, which is molarity of 97% H2SO4 is equal to the percentage of sulfuric acid multiplied by its density divided by molar weight and multiply whole by the factor of 10. Let's put the value, which is 97 as percentage, 1.84 as the density and divided by 98 as the molar weight and multiply by 10 factor. So we get the molarity as 18.2. Let's find out normality, which is molarity multiplied by acidity or basicity. So 18.2 is molarity and 2 indicates its acidity. We get normality as 36.4. Now let's do calculation for the preparation of 0.2 normal solution of 97% H2SO4 up to 500 ml volume. To do that, we will use a formula over here as N1V1 is equal to N2V2, where N1 is the normality of H2SO4 which we have calculated in the previous step, which is concluded as 36.4. N2 is the normality of required solution which we will have to prepare, and that is 0.2 normal. V1 is the required volume of H2SO4 that we will have to pipette out in the end. And finally, V2 is the final solution volume which we have fixed to 500 ml. So let's start our calculations by V1 is equal to N2V2 divided by N1. By putting values, we get 0.2 multiplied by 500 divided by 36.4 and we get our volume as 2.75 milliliters. Let's start our preparations. To do that, you will have to take a measuring flask. Now put some distilled water into the measuring flask with the help of a funnel. This water addition is used for your own safety, so you cannot harm yourself when handling sulfuric acid. Now take the beaker of sulfuric acid and open it up. Now you will have to pipette out our required volume, which is 2.75 milliliters, and put that into the measuring flask. You can clearly see the red spot which indicates 500 milliliter. Now add the water up to that point and you have successfully prepared 0.2 normal solution of H2SO4 with 500 ml volume. Now you can store it in any beaker you want. Thank you.